Cockatoos are captivating parrots known for their striking appearance and lively personalities. They belong to the family Cockatooidae and are native to Australia, Indonesia, and nearby regions. These birds are popular in the pet trade due to their charming and affectionate nature, but they are also found in the wild, where they play vital roles in their ecosystems. One of the most distinguishing features of cockatoos is their showy crests, which they can raise and lower. These crests are used for communication and as displays of emotion. Cockatoos are known for their vocal abilities and can be quite noisy, using calls, squawks, and even mimicry to communicate with each other and their human companions. Cockatoos are highly intelligent birds with an impressive problem-solving ability. They thrive on social interaction and often form strong bonds with their owners. In the wild, they live in flocks and engage in complex social behaviors. Conservation efforts are important for many cockatoo species due to habitat loss and the illegal pet trade, which has led to declines in some populations. These magnificent birds continue to enchant people with their beauty, intelligence, and engaging personalities.
Join the adventure, hit that subscribe button, and dive into a world of amazing content on this channel. Thanks for staying with us and watch this video.